So here's how to buy things on Temu with Temu Credits. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. Temu offers you a wide range of products to select from. To purchase any items from Temu, you have to make an account there. Once you are signed in or created your account successfully, now here you have to select the product or go to the categories of the product from which you want to choose an item, or you can simply type in the product name in the search bar to make a purchase. Here, as you can see under the camera section, it offers me a wide range of products. As I want to buy an instant photo camera, so I will go to the category and select the camera that I want to buy. Here, as you can see, under my category I found a product. Now I'm gonna click on it to make a purchase, or you can simply click on the cart option to add it onto your cart. Once you have added the product onto your cart, now you have to click on the checkout option. Moving on to the next step, it will redirect you to this page where you have to enter your address. Here you have to enter your country name, your full name, street address, apartment, unit, building, floor, room or zip code. Then you also have to mention your city and state. Once you filled out the form, now click on the continue to payment option. If you have Temu Credits on your account, then it will ask you to pay via Temu Credits. Now you have to select this option and then hit on the continue. Now you have successfully made a purchase using Temu Credits. So that's how to buy items using Temu Credits.